Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Ethan the Computer Guy 09, and I'm back with another video today. I'm going to try to upload every single day, but it's going to be a little bit hard to, because most of my stuff I've already covered in a thrift store haul video. So here's something I haven't done yet. It's this Sound Technologies telephone two-way recorder model TR-200. I got this several months ago, and it's still in that box. You first open it up, you'll notice, oh my god, the packaging is still in the box. That's gotta be worth like $1 million. It's not worth $1 million. It's probably worth as much as a PC game. Let me get this open. Alright, so we got it open. It still has the protective film on it, which is crazy. Okay, here you got your two-way recorder, as well as your DC adapter. It's hard to open things with one hand. Hold on. So, not only is this an answering machine, but it's also a cassette player. So I'm gonna open this up. Go ahead and play some polka, because that's the closest cassette that I had. It's not even moving. Wait a freaking minute. How do you get this dang thing to play? It's moving. Where's the music? Hello? There's no music. I want to listen to my darn polka. What's so hard about that? Play something, you idiot. Oh, whatever. Okay, now I only guess it's a cassette player as well, because it doesn't seem to play this one. What a joke. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.